Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Volkswagen Taos Treadline. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and that 4Motion as well. We get a backup camera back here, some nice roof spoilers. We do get roof rails as well, with mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. We also get blind spot detection. And moving to the front right now, we do get a nice place to put your license plate, block heater, and that nice Volkswagen grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse that row if you need more. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, 12-volt outlet. You do get a light back here, cargo mat as well, Mud Buddy, as well as you do get quite a bit more storage with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior. Got anchors for your car seat. You can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. You get quite a bit of storage up front. Get floor mats and a carpeted interior, and you do get quite a bit of storage in the back as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same gray and black cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. Got your gas cap, windows, all that jazz. Floor mats, carpeted interior, lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 5,543 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your heated steering wheel function right there. Volkswagen logo, you got your cruise control, volume, play back, play forward, view, so you can change the view on here. Oh, whatever you like. And we do get our, let me find it, information such as driving data, display, settings, economy, average economy, distance, speed, gear, oil, audio, telephone, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select with our Prindle on the top, engine start, parking brake, you have your dry modes and terrains, auto stop, auto start, cup holders with storage. You even get some fair bit of storage up here as well. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, and custom, and you do get off-road, off-road custom, normal, and snow. Here we got tons of storage. You got your climate controls, heated front seats, hazards, you got vents, storage below, you got even storage above. Looking at our main screen here, you have your radio, media, volume, all that jazz. You got your voice control, phones, and apps. You got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Menus such as your radio, telephone, you got your vehicle information, vehicle data since start, tire pressure monitor, vehicle status, and all that fun stuff. We're just going to go back real quick. Sound, settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE77926A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.